Hi everyone! Today I am going to make a carrot cinnamon cake. Ingredients are 3 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of milk, 2.5 cup of flour, 3 carrots, 1 package vanilla, 1 package baking powder, 2 teaspoons cinnamon. First, you are going to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Let's peel and grate the washed carrots. Now I'm going to put these carrots into pots. I add 2 tablespoons sugar on top of the carrots. Cook until it's caramelized. Then I leave it to cool. I'm taking a deep bowl and I added eggs and sugar. I mix them well until it's like foam. Now it's ready. Next, I add milk and oil. I mix them together again. Now I add flour. I mixed. Now I add more. Now I adding vanilla and baking powder. I mix again. Last time. It's ready. Now I add caramelized carrots. Chopped walnuts. Then cinnamon. I mix them one more time. Now I take the mixture into the cake cup. put mixture into the oven and wait about 40 minutes. Now it's ready. Bon appetit!